Good morning students. Today we are going to study about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs or compound or multi-word verbs, they are also called as compound or multi-word verbs, are formed by combining with the preposition or adverbs. Okay. So phrasal verbs are words or compound words or multi-word verbs are formed by combining the verb. Verb is combined either with preposition or adverb. Okay, when we preposition or adverb, when we combine a verb is constant. Okay, verb is the constant one. We can either use preposition or adverb with it. Okay, when we combine the verb with a preposition or an adverb, it is called as a phrasal verb. The meaning of a phrasal verb is completely different from the meaning of the words it made up of. Okay, so individually the words may have a different meaning, but when we use the words all together as a phrasal verb, they come out as a different meaning. For example, turn out. Okay, now turn is our verb, turn is our verb and out is our preposition. Okay, turn out, so turn out is our phrasal verb. Again similarly, give back, so give is our verb and back is our preposition. So again give back will be our phrasal verb. The people turned out in large number to cast their vote. Now turn means, you know what is the meaning of turn. Turn means mudna, out means outside. Okay, individually turn and out have a different meaning. Okay, but when we use turn out all together, turn out here means means to go somewhere or to come somewhere. Like here you can see the people turned out in large number to cast their votes. बहुत सारी संख्या में लोग आए वोट देने के लिए. I here means to come. Okay, turn out means to come. Okay, so when we use the verb and as a preposition as a phrasal verb together, it has depicts a different meaning. But when we when we look at those words individually, they have a different meaning. Okay, now next, the meaning of turned out: attending or coming, saying as a phrasal verb is different from the separate meaning of its constituting word. Phrasal verb plus adverb. Now we have studied verb and preposition. Now we will study how verb and adverb combine and form a phrasal verb. Like show off. Okay, show me is a verb and off is an adverb. So show off altogether is an phrasal verb. The preposition or adverb used to form a phrasal verb is called particle. Okay, the preposition or adverb which we use to form a phrasal verb is called as a particle. What it is called? It is called as a particle. This preposition or the adverb which we use to form a phrasal verb, it is called as a particle. Rules for making phrasal verb. It is important to note at this point that a particle remain in its original form even in phrasal verbs. Hence, even prefixes or suffixes cannot be added to particles. Okay. So, it is very important to know that the preposition means the particles remains in original form. Okay, we cannot add anything to the particles. What are the particles? The preposition and the adverb. Okay, we cannot add anything to the preposition or adverb. It remain in its original form. We can neither add a prefix or suffix. However, the verbs in phrasal verbs can be changed in the form if required, but we can change the verb. We can change the verb. If it is necessary to, then we can change the verb, but we can't change the particle. Okay, we can't change the particle. Hence, in the phrasal verb, look forward. Like here, one example is given: look forward. If the form needed to be changed, it can be only done with looked forward. Like look forward. Here, look is our verb and forward is our preposition. Okay. Look forward is our preposition, but it can all, sorry, not preposition, it is our adverb. Okay, look forward, here look is our verb and forward is our adverb. Okay, if the form needs to be changed, it can only be done look with the verb look. If we want to change something in look forward, we can do, we can only change look to looked. It could be looked forward is correct, but Look forwarded. Here, for changing the adverb won't be correct. Okay, forwarded is wrong. Looked forward would be correct, but changing the preposition or adverb would be incorrect always. Okay. Changing the particle can change the whole meaning of the phrasal even if the verbs remain the same. Okay, if we change the particles, what are the particles? The particles are the preposition or adverb. Okay, if we change the particles, then it can change the entire meaning of the phrasal verb even though we don't change the verb. Okay, if we change the particle, it can change the entire meaning of the verb even though we don't change the verb or even if we change the verb. Show off. Okay, show off means to boast about something, boast, badi badi hankna. Okay, and show up means to reveal. Like here we have changed the particle of and here we have changed the article up. Okay, the verb remains the same. Okay, the verb is same, the particle have changed, off and up. Show off means to boast, show off means to reveal something, कुछ बताना. ठीक है. Next, turn off, that cause disgust. Okay, turn off, you have turn off my mind, मतलब अब मन उठ गया, you have मन खराब कर दिया, like that. Okay, तो turn off means that. Turn up, now turn up means to appear, to come somewhere. Okay, now again here the verb is same and only the particles have changed. So by changing the particles we can change a vast meaning in the phrasal verb. So students, I hope you all are able to understand what are phrasal verbs. Thank you.